Welcome everyone to the third episode of the Singapore trip. I was surprised to see the sun in the morning.
Is that a bit of sun that I'm seeing? Morning everyone, it is 7:21 AM. I was planning to sleep all the way to 8 AM, but for no reason, again, I woke up before the alarm. But I feel better now. So yeah, let's get ready. Since I already woke up, there's no reason for me to go back to sleep.
I played some Fortnite on this new OnePlus 15. I had my hair done, then I walked for a while until the elevators. Then I went down to the breakfast where everyone else was eating.
Morning, Yash. Join us. Did you sleep well?
Today, yes. Better than yesterday.
Thankfully, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. So I'm not allowed to record follow the barrel time and QA session presentation.
Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to share any video on what was the actual launch presentation, but I can surely explain it to you guys. So what we did is we talked about this new OnePlus 15, the new features, and we also had a Q&A session. And what they did is that they answered very interesting questions like why did the camera got smaller, what was this sudden shift to gaming, and so on and so forth. We were not allowed to ask questions because this was only reserved for media. So me, Zach, and Gail were not able to ask anything, but everything was pretty much asked at this point.
This is my favorite type of dessert.
Yeah.
This is my top one. Oh, one plate, I'm gonna take one plate. Whoa, what's this? And this is... These are balls.
You can't see what's inside.
I can like take it.
Can you?
What? Can you repeat that?
Sorry, I got food in my hand.
After the presentation was done, there was so much to be done this day. So what we did is we walked back to the bus. I had to wait for Yash because he was late.
Yash is coming. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. We were actually waiting for you. No joke.
One more look at this very beautiful hotel and this very crowded alley. I guess there was like some presentation going on.
It's cold.
How is this cold? Dude, literally, how is this cold? This is so hot. They basically just told us it's 10 degrees Celsius less than yesterday. How is this colder?
The next stop was Gardens by the Bay. This is set in the heart of Singapore's downtown, and it's a home to diverse collection over 1.5 million plants. That's actually a lot. I'm not a huge fan of plants, but it was an indoor area and it was cold, so it's way better than outside.
Towers? What towers? Yes, they are towers. They are actually chimneys. Yeah, because below the Gardens by the Bay is where every tree, every leaf, everything that was swiped across the island are brought below to one of Asia's largest biomass furnaces to burn and power up energy to supply up to 30% of what Gardens by the Bay need. So when they burn all the leaves and the twigs, they need a place to let out hot air. So the Belgians say, I can let out the clean hot air, but you do not want to let it out here. You want to let out on top. So it will be a very ugly garden.
What did you say?
Nothing. He starts recording. Then he's gonna post it on the internet. He's gonna tell everyone I'm a bad person.
And you're gonna get cancelled.
No, but that's not true because I'm a very, very nice person overall. You can ask anyone and everybody will agree.
Is Yash a good person?
She is.
She? It's getting sweaty out here just because the humidity is so up.
He lied to us. He told us that it's going to be super cold inside and he told us to wear warm clothes. But he doesn't know that you're from Europe. So, and his definition of winter and cold weather is 22 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. The weather's gonna get better, I just feel it already.
Oh, this is better. This is so much better.
Can we just stay here?
Yeah, we can stay here. Wow. Yeah, that works.
Dude, this is worth it. The ticket price is worth it. It's so cool.
So we're currently at Royal Garden Bay, or whatever this is called, and this is supposed to have like the biggest waterfall, like indoor waterfall, and I'm so excited to see this. And secondly, I can surely say that outside the temperature is like 32 degrees with like 85 humidity or something like that, and in here it's very cool. And to be able to cool down a huge space, like this amount of space, is actually amazing.
Yeah. Like, there's one thing.
You can say it.
There is one thing that iPhone cannot do compared with OnePlus camera.
That is, should I say it?
Yeah, say it.
iPhone cannot do OnePlus bullshit.
The tour guide said one thing: be careful when you go in groups because you're going to get lost. I didn't believe it until I got lost 10 minutes later. So yeah, I found Yash and Ken eventually, and I just walked with them, and then I lost them. Yeah, so this place is like very big. I don't know exactly how much time are we allowed to stay here. I think he said something about an hour, and if we lose ourselves, just go to the souvenir shop and the tour guide will find us. And I think I'm already seeing some familiar faces down there. Otherwise, this is like a very big place, and apparently Yash is calling me, and so I think he got lost and he's asking me for help. So I think I should go and help him out. Turns out he was on the lower level, and so I called him back, but he just ignored me. Like, check this, I was calling him on WhatsApp and he was just like not checking it out. This guy is so funny and so annoying at the same time. We still had lots of minutes to kill, and so we just stopped to photograph a lot of flowers. This place is actually beautiful, and so I think you remember when I took these photos because I posted them on the OnePlus community. Turns out they have a transparent TV here. Check this out. It is actually transparent, and if you go behind it, you can like, you're not gonna see anything, but so this is a cool concept. I don't understand who would need this type of device, but I guess it exists and it's cool. Now that we saw the gardens by the bay, it was time to go outside again, and that was the part that I didn't like. We waited for like 5 minutes, then we went to the second part. It's a Jurassic Park, and it has the highest indoor falls. There are also a wedding happening there, as you can see. What?
The birth of dinosaurs happened right here.
Exactly. Guys, let's go. What? That looks so cool. The rays. Oh my god. Wow. Looks so nice. Ouch. I got hit. Currently climbing. It's 426. At 450 we need to be down.
and we're all the way up, so we kinda need to hurry.
We reached the top and it's now time to go down, and it had to be quick. Since this was a tourist attraction but it wasn't reserved just for us, it was a bit crowded, so we had to hurry.
Damn, boy! This looks so nice, but I also have to worry because we only have 14 minutes. So I have to do all this place in like 15 minutes. Hello there. Hi guys. How was your Jurassic experience?
We are recording. You delete that right now.
I didn't even get what you said, so it doesn't matter.
No, but it's recorded in the camera. You're dumb, other people are not.
Okay. How was your Jurassic experience, Ken?
It's great. I like the Crystal Mountain. You should check it out. Next time you come here, check out the Crystal Mountain, okay?
Okay.
With the falls exploration done, it was now time for the final part in this day, which was the actual dinner. We went back to the bus, we traveled just a bit, and we stopped at some houses.
So ladies and gentlemen, so in Singapore, we do not speak the same language, we do not have the same religion, but symbolism is very important. So if you see this house, a lot of people call this a Straits Chinese or the Peranakan house. This is not true. These are cows by prominent families in Singapore to mark their properties. When these families travel to Britain, they realize, oh, in Britain you have the knighthood. The Queen bestow you knights. They like that. But in Singapore, there's no knighthood. So they create their own crest, their family crest, with flowers and designs, and they use it to mark their properties all over Singapore. So when you see this house, it is also to tell people this house belongs to a prominent family.
So I don't know about the other guys, but me, I was very hungry, but I also liked these houses. Thankfully, the pit stop was not long, then we went back to the bus, and then we traveled to the dinner.
Oh my god.
That's a nice salad. Yeah.
I like a couple of things in here. For example, the strawberries are great. This is recording that.
I thought this is the first meal, but it was just the appetizer. Then we got to the main course, which was fish. I don't like fish, but that was great. And then we had dessert, which had ice cream. And after a long hot day, it was actually good.
See you guys. Bye-bye. Have fun though.
The boys decided to take a walk, but unfortunately I was very tired and I also had to work, so I decided to just take the bus home like everyone else. When I reached back to the hotel, I took my takeaway because I was not done with the food.
So I wanted to watch some Stranger Things because it's gonna be a new chapter soon. Then realized that I have a TV here. I can use it to stream some Netflix. This bed is way more comfortable than this chair that I'm sitting right now. So let's do the switch. So it looks like the software that is on this type of TVs doesn't let me cast. So I guess we're going back to the table.
Nothing compares to very cold Coca-Cola after a hot day, just chilling and watching some more Stranger Things.
So it's about midnight. I ate actually quite well. I also watched some movies on my weird spot, I guess. But nevertheless, now I'm kind of ready to go to sleep. Tomorrow is another day. I have like, we are going to a park now. I don't know exactly what. I mean, I know it, but I'm not gonna share it now because this is gonna be in a different video. So I'll just go to sleep and meet you tomorrow.